This is Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. Let's take a look at two RSI levels that are critical in determining momentum, either to the upside or to the downside. And those two RSI levels are 61.8 and the opposite level of 38.2. Now I know maybe you've never heard of using the RSI as far as Fibonacci numbers of 61.8 and 38.2 are concerned, but I guarantee you with a little research, you're going to see that there's some validity in this method here. This is something that I have researched over many years. All right. Let's take a look here at an example. On the way up, during this nice explosive run, we can see that there was a breakout in terms of monthly price action. And that breakout did coincide with the RSI moving above 61.8, as you can see here. 61.8. And now to the reason for this video. Right now, what I'm seeing with a lot of stocks is there's a lot of stocks that are showing the threat of breaking below and moving their RSI below 38.2. Now, should that happen, if it happens, when it happens, be on the lookout for a substantial increase in momentum to the downside. So if you have stocks that are pretty much around the 38.2 on the monthly, be careful because cracking below that level might lead to substantial drops. For example, I'll give you two recent stocks that have done this. Take a look at Ameritrade. As you can see right now, with the RSI dropping this month below 38.2, and because of that, we see almost a 25 to 30% drop. And the same thing can be seen with E-Trade. You can see that for a couple years, the RSI was holding above 38.2. And as of right now, this month, down about 15-16% as the RSI is dropping below 38.2. There should be some links in the description of the video for more information and examples of this method. Eric Muathe, Muathe.com. As always, good luck, peace, and blessings. E-S-E-S.